friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया then please subscribe to this channel now. Hey friends, this is a short motivational video for all those who are struggling in their life. It's going to be a short and sweet just like me.
Oh my God! Wow!
So listen to it carefully if you want some inspiration in your life and if you want to do something in your life. Dominos entered into the market of Italy in 2015 and in 2022 it shut down its stores in Italy. Just 7 years and Domino's stores were closed in Italy. Domino's is the recognized world leader in pizza delivery, but it cannot survive in the home country of pizza, that is Italy.
Damn!
So what does this teach us? This teaches us that no matter how big you are, no matter how strong you are, you cannot survive and thrive at a place where you do not belong. Failure at one place should not make you feel worthless. There is so much to learn in this world. There is so much to try in this world. World's a big market. World's a big learning temple. And life is short. So go and try something new. Go and explore something new. And never ever make you feel worthless because of one failure. Your mindset can change your future. Your mindset can change your life. So every time be positive and be a learner for the whole of your life. For more such inspirational thoughts, for more such inspirational quotes, for more such inspirational articles and for more such inspirational poetry, do visit my website. Link is in the description. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. And if you want to stay connected, then follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. If you have interest in reading books and poetries, do visit my website and purchase my book from Amazon, Flipkart or Notion Press. All the links have been provided in the description below. Don't forget to check the description for various links. If you have interest in MS Excel, then too you can visit my website and try the MS Excel puzzles made by me. And to remain updated, don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you, take care, goodbye.